Healthy and happy employees are the most important human resource and the driving force in all industries globally. Soldering fumes and other fumes can damage health. It's time to protect against soldering and other fumes. Clean air is everyone's responsibility. The new Weller ZeroSmog Guard underbench fume extraction units are designed for continuous, 24/7 use in professional hand soldering on the production line. Offering quiet, state-of-the-art filtration, ZeroSmog Guard provides effective air purification and health protection for users. With 99.95% particle filtration efficiency and filtering of many different gases, these under-the-bench units ensure highly effective protection. The intelligent flow principle and a powerful high-suction blower captures the smoke more effectively. First, the smoke is distributed over the entire filter surface. Larger particles are trapped in the pre-filter, fine particles in the HEPA particle filter, and gases in the gas media filter. Finally, clean air is brought back into the working environment. This principle ensures cleaner air and effective odor removal. With the ESD-safe construction, the units can be set up in all areas of electronics assembly. Extensive sound suppression ensures minimal noise levels, providing users with maximum comfort and reduced downtime thanks to easier, quick pre-filter and main filter changes. Discover the new ZeroSmog Guard range. Clean air is a worker's right. Powerful together. Weller soldering stations and ZeroSmog Guard.